Eid-al-Adha celebrations in Kumasi got a boost with a generous donation from the Abdullah Ahmed Al-Uwaisi Social Center. As a subsidiary of Direct Aid Society Ghana, the center donated meat to 500 families, spreading joy, kindness, as well as to foster a sense of unity and compassion, true to the spirit of Eid-al-Adha.
اليوم 17 من شهر يونيو سنة 2024.
The Abdullah Ahmed Al-Uwaisi Social Center has been at the forefront of philanthropic effort in Kumasi, and this annual Eid-al-Adha project is just an example of the center's commitment to giving back and making a difference in the lives of those in need. Safia Ibrahim, on behalf of the beneficiaries, expressed heartfelt gratitude for the donation, which she said will enable them to celebrate Eid-al-Adha with dignity and joy.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I'm here to thank Direct Aid for everything that they have been doing for us, because it's not all of us who get the money to kill the cow, goat, or even sheep, or even pork. But as for them, they have get the money to even share for the whole world, for us to get some of the meat. We do thank all of them. May Allah increase their income, everything about them, and even their Eman too. We do thank them. May Almighty Allah bless them for us.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.